Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Skullcandy Push Truly Wireless Earbuds. Now you can pick these up from Skullcandy.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $100. Now they only come in one color, and I'm not making this up. It's called Tropical Teal. Alright, so let's check these out. Now, on a side note, this is a special request video. Somebody just asked me to check these out, so we're going to check them out. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I did my top 10 truly wireless earbuds, and I've been getting a lot of requests, so I will check out the Raycons, the Sennheisers, and the B&Os later. Alright, so here we go. Shout out to White Shoes, she got the day off. Skullcandy Push, sound without boundaries. Alright, so you got Bluetooth wireless technology, up to 12 hours of battery life, secure fit, and a charging case. Let's see, anything else? Activate Assistant. Use the earbud to access your device built-in assistant. Always ready. Up to 6 hours of music from fully charged buds and 6 hours from the charging case gives you a total of 12 hours playtime. All right, so 6 hours, that sounds pretty good. You only get one more charge with the case, 12 hours total. Okay, locked in, FinFit. Keeps your buds secure in your ear so they don't fall out. Simple controls, more functions. All right, so you can easily adjust your volume, change songs, answer, and phone calls directly from the buds. Simple and straightforward. Shout out to the Tiger Tooth. Here we go. Rah. Now, honestly, I don't know how I feel about this color, but it is what it is. First things first, here's your charging case, Tropical Teal. You definitely had to be smoking something to come up with this color, but it is what it is. Let's see, you got a little button right here. This is your battery charge indicator, 4 LEDs, 25, 50, 75, 100. Do the math yourself. Let's see. Case feels lightweight, little on the cheap side. Let's see, little foam on the inside, right and left labeled. Okay, this looks like, hold on, let me not jump to conclusions. Let's go slow. Here's your earbuds. And of course, White Shoes back in the building. White Shoes, calm down. All right, let's take a look at the rest of this. Buds a little bit on the big side. Giggity, is what it is. Okay, quick start guide. We'll leave that alone. Usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Okay, now this is what I thought. Just like I thought, this is actually USB Type-C. All right, so shout out to Skullcandy. They get a plus for that. USB Type-C charging cable, so you can leave this home and use your phone's charging cable. Usual books and shit, more of them, pluck them and file them. Let's see, you got some different size ear tips, and that's pretty much it. Shoes, calm down. Now, for the buds themselves, like I said, a little bit on the big side, oval shaped. Let's see, you got your built-in wing. Let's see how they look in the case. Let's see, let's line these up correctly. And of course, I dropped them in there wrong. Why wouldn't I? Let's do this right. There it is. Okay. So we drop these in. This is what it's going to look like when it's charging up. Lightweight. Skullcandy branding on the top. Again, I don't know how I feel about this teal color. For the case, it doesn't really matter, but for the earbuds, I would have preferred all black. All right, shoes, back up. Now, I'm going to put these to the test for real. I'm actually on my way to the gym right now, so I'm going to take them to the gym. One thing I'm a little bit concerned about on the box and on the website, it doesn't mention anything about IP ratings. Now, I sweat a lot at the gym, so I'm going to put these to the sweat test, see if they short out. But it is what it is. All right, so talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I just came back from the gym. I did a full workout. I put these to the test, and I'm ready to let y'all know what I think. Now, I'm going to do it the same way I do my phone reviews. I'm going to talk about everything that I don't like first, then we'll get into everything that I do like. First up on the don't like list, the color. Tropical Teal, as cool as the name is, I'm not a big fan of this color. Now, if you're buying these to rock to the gym, which you shouldn't, and I'll tell you why in a second, then it doesn't matter. When we go to the gym, we all look like bums, except for the ladies. They be coming through in them Fashion Nova fits, trying to thirst trap us. That's another story. So if you're going to the gym, who cares? But if you're rocking these as your day-to-day headphones, you want to get fresh, you got your New York Knicks jersey on, blue and orange, with the matching hat, the matching scarf, you're looking like Akeem from Coming to America, where you going with these big-ass green earbuds? Now look, if they was $30, I don't care. You get what you get. But for $100, We need one other color choice, maybe something neutral like all black or all white. Next, no IP rating. Now this is exactly why you don't want to wear these to the gym. No IP rating means they're not water resistant, they're not splash proof or sweat proof. Now if you're going to the gym, you're going to be sweating. Even if you're rocking these as your commuting headphones, what happens if you're rocking these outside and it starts raining? That's it for your headphones. Your earbuds is done. You got to take them off. They can't get wet. I'm not feeling that. For $100, there's too many other headphones on the market that have IP ratings, sweat, water resistant, and some you can even go swimming with. Next, no app associated with the headphones. So no app, what does that mean? No EQ. So this is basically one size fits all music profiles. Now, luckily for me, I happen to like a lot of bass. But what happens if you're listening to the best of Beethoven? You don't want bass heavy headphones. Same thing if you're listening to Cyndi Lauper's greatest hits. You want to increase the vocals. No app, no EQ. Now, of course, you got all these different Android or iOS apps that you can use EQ settings. But it's always nice to have a dedicated EQ app to go with your earbuds. Next, the buttons. Now, this is the thing right here that I really don't like. Check this out. If you notice, you only got 2 buttons. Now, for play and pause, no problems. Just press it, play and pause. Volume up and down. All right, for volume up and down, you got to press and hold. Matter of fact, for volume up, you got to double tap the right side. Volume down, double tap the left side. Now, when you want to skip or reverse to the next track, you got to press and hold the button for 3 seconds. That is fucking garbage. And let me tell you why. Now, I'm up in the gym, I'm rocking these. You want to skip to the next song. First of all, when you're using earbuds, anybody that works out, now not only for just working out, just day to day, when you're rocking earbuds, once you put them in your ears and you get that nice comfortable fit, you don't want to touch them. Because you know, if you press them in a little bit too deep, sometimes you can't hear, like when your ears clog up. If you push earbuds in your ears too deep, you can't hear anything. So you got to pull them out. Now with these, they got the wings on them and all that, so you got to get a perfect fit. So you go in the mirror, you get them to a nice perfect fit, and you good. Now you want to switch songs, you got to press and hold the button for 3 seconds. If you press for 1 extra second, it's going to turn the headphones off. Now when I say headphones, y'all know what I'm talking about. Headphones, earbuds, earphones, same shit. You got to press it for 3 seconds. You got to be exact. You're going to hear a little beep. But if you're working out, you might not hear that beep. Or if you're just heavy-handed like me, and this kept happening to me, when I want to skip songs, I hold for 3 seconds, and I end up turning off the headphones. Same thing if you want to activate your Google Assistant, hold for 3 seconds on the other one, hold for 4 seconds, powers them off. I don't like that. It's very counterintuitive. Now, is that a deal breaker for me? Not really, because basically everybody got an Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch, so you can control your music using the watch. So when I go to the gym, I skip and reverse tracks, raise and lower the volume right from the watch. I don't really want to touch the earbuds once they're in my ears because I got a perfect fit. With these right here, they're just taking it to the next level with non-counterintuitive buttons. Did I say that right? Anyway, so the button placement itself is not bad. 2 big giant buttons, I like that. But having to press and hold for 3 seconds, that's pretty whack. Only thing that works good for is play and pause. Now, here's the last thing that I don't like, and this is a big deal for me, talking on the phone. If you're buying these headphones, earbuds, earphones, you know what I'm saying? If you're buying these to talk on the phone, don't. Don't do it to yourself. When I'm talking on the phone, basically, all I use is my AirPods. These are the best for talking on the phone. Why don't I like these for talking on the phone? You can only hear the person out of one ear. I repeat, you're only going to hear sound out of the left ear. In this day and age, that's trash. All right? When you're rocking your earbuds and you're talking on the phone, you want stereo sound. Now, if you're driving in the car and you got these on and you're on the phone, you're only hearing out the left ear. So you got the window down. That's where all of the noise is coming from. Wouldn't you rather have sound on both sides? I don't like that. Now, with that being said, let's talk about everything that I do like. Number 1, the price. For $100, the price is right. And the reason I say that, I got a whole bunch of wireless earbuds all the way from $20 up to $70, $80, $90. And these actually sound better than all of the cheap ones. Actually, they right on par, what I would say, with the Bose and the Sonys and the Jabras, sound quality wise. Now, of course, the Bose and the Sonys and the Jabras have a little bit more bass. and they have EQs that you can play with the music. So I would say that they're not better, but they're equal. They're equal. So why would you pay $150 for Bose as opposed to these for $100? Or for the jobbers, you're getting more features. Water resistance, you got the app. You get more features, so therefore you can pay an extra couple of dollars. Sound v sound. All right, sound versus sound. These are equivalent to all of the ones that cost $150. So the price is right. Next, the look. How do these look? Now, again, they're not the most sexy in the world. They are a little bit on the big side, but I don't mind sacrificing the bigger headphones or the bigger earphones for bigger sound. All right, same thing I said with the Bose. I don't mind if they're a little bit big and goofy looking if they can back it up with the sound. And they actually do. Let me pull up a picture I took real quick so you can see what they look like on head. All right, so this is what it's going to look like when you're rocking them. Now check this out. When you first get them, you would think that they're going to be sideways in your ears, but they actually sit more straight up. Again, not the sexiest in the world. Big earphones, big sound. Next, the fit. Now, like I said, I don't recommend buying these for the gym because they're not sweat proof. But as far as the fit wise, super comfortable, nice and snug. Now, they don't have noise isolation, but they fit so snug in your ears, you're not going to hear nothing else. So a nice, comfortable fit. You could jump around. You could do 100 backflips. They're not falling out. Next, battery life. 6 hours on one charge. That's excellent. Now, if you're working out, my usual workout is about an hour to an hour and a half. So basically, I could charge these once a week. Now, 6 hours, I don't care how much you're commuting. You're not commuting 6 hours a day unless you're working for El Chapo. You muling, then you might be doing that long commute. But the average person, you're not commuting 6 hours a day. You can take these home, charge them up every day. Now, another thing that I do like is USB Type-C charging. So this way, all you got to do is bring your phone charger, charge your phone, take your phone off, charge your headphones, swap back and forth, one less cable to walk around with, unless you're walking around with a punk-ass iPhone. Next, sound quality. All right, now this is the best thing about these headphones, the sound quality. There's no app for the EQ, but the sound quality on these is excellent. You buying stuff from Skullcandy, you're looking for extra bass, these is not going to disappoint. The bass is bumping. Now, one thing that I was really surprised with was the highs. The highs are crispy. You ever got a fresh head of lettuce and you break it open and you hear that crisp sound? That's how the highs sound on these. Extra crispy. The mids is there and the bass is booming. Now, the songs that I was playing, I was rocking Meek Mill's album. Listen to the song for yourself. It's from Meek Mill's. It's called On Me. Meek Mill and Cardi B. That song has a ridiculous bass line. I almost blew my damn speakers in my car the other day. Crazy. I was playing that song with these earbuds and it sounded perfect. Like I said, it sounds similar to the Bose and the Jobbers. You just don't have that EQ to play with the settings, and you don't have the water resistance and all that. But sound v sound, it's right up there. So I would say the best thing about these headphones is the sound. The sound quality is excellent. It's one size fits all though, so be careful. Now, if you don't like bass heavy music, then you're gonna want to look something else.
I love my white shoes.
White shoes, calm down. Shout out to Shoes back in the building. All right, anyway, so that's everything that I do like. So overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say these is cool. All right, these is cool. I can't give them a major go because they're not water resistant. In this day and age, I don't care what product you're buying. If you're looking for a product and one is water resistant and one is not, always go with the one that's water resistant. Better to be safe than sorry. Now, let me tell you, when I first got these just now, I took them in the bathroom. I was trying to get the fit right. I almost dropped it in the sink. Now, granted, my sink was empty. What if there would have been water in the sink? What if they would have fell in the toilet? The bottom line is, I don't like buying products that don't have an IP rating. Now, a lot of products, they don't want to pay for the IP rating, but they still are, like maybe the OnePlus 6. They still are splash proof and all that, but they just can't advertise it because they don't want to pay for that rating. But I would be leery buying something like these, especially how plasticky they feel and how lightweight and cheap. You know there's no seals in there. So these get wet, you're going to be assed out. Would I buy these for the gym? No. Would I buy these for day-to-day use? Actually, not really, because talking on the phone, you're only getting one ear. So I wouldn't even buy these for day-to-day use. I would only buy these, say you worked in an office somewhere, and you got a lot of downtime and you can put on some earbuds and listen to YouTube videos or listen to music while you're at work, yeah, then you might want to try these. But if you're buying them for the gym, that's a no. If you're buying them for talking on the phone, that's a no. Now, there's one more thing I wanted to check. I remember just now. What about watching videos? How's the lag latency? Let me do that real quick. All right, so I just watched a couple of YouTube videos, and I noticed that there is a little bit of latency lag. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video and the person's mouth is moving, you'll hear the voice a little millisecond afterwards. So it's a little delay. Now, it's not terrible. It's not bad enough where I would say you can't even enjoy a video, but it's there. My suggestion would be, if you're buying headphones to watch videos all day at work, get wired ones. You're never going to have that problem. Now, here's another thing I just noticed in the box. If you buy these from Skullcandy.com, you get 3 months of YouTube music for free. That ain't bad. Anyway, Skullcandy push wireless earbuds on a scale of 1 to 10, they aight. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early, #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Mini O. Now these are true wireless stereo Bluetooth speakers that fit in the palm of your hands.